Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and today we're going to go over a full review of the UCES Protection Plan Services, also known as United Credit Education Services. So as you guys know, I've been in the credit repair space for a few years now, and I do recommend a lot of different products and software. But today's going to be a little bit of a different video because I've done my research on this company and a lot of people have been asking me to do a review, also asking me about the company to see whether they should use their services, use their referral opportunity, and just really depends on your situation. So let's go and move forward in this review. I'm going to explain the pros, cons, if it's a good service, and also my case study as in signing up for the service myself and speaking to one of their top agents. Let's go ahead and move forward, guys. So before we continue into this entire review, I just want to answer some questions that I had as well, and I know that you're gonna have because it's the first thing that pops up. So is UCES a pyramid scheme or some kind of scam? So no, the answer is gonna be no, because it's not a scam, because it does actually provide you and render services for credit repair and other financial services. An example would be Smart Credit or Rocket Lawyer. In my credit repair business, on our personal level, we actually partner with Smart Credit, and we have our clients sign up on a separate plan for Smart Credit while we are rendering our services as well. With UCES, it comes included because they're affiliated with multiple products such as Rocket Lawyer, Smart Credit, and Allstate. So that's exactly why it wouldn't be some kind of scam or pyramid scheme, and I was actually very happy to get that clarity when I found out who they've partnered with, because we have the same partners with our credit repair service as well. Now the second question that comes into mind is, how does the credit repair process work? Do they send out the letters for me? Do I send out the letters? And what I found out is, once you enroll to the UCES program, you're gonna go ahead and enter all your information for your social security, your date of birth, and then they're gonna go ahead and pull a 3-bureau system report for all 3 major credit bureaus. Now once this occurs, their team at UCES will go ahead and draft up the dispute letters depending on your credit report and your situation. So the only thing that you need to do on your part is actually print out the documents, sign them, also provide your ID and as well as your utility bill. And then once you do that, you'll go ahead and mail those documents out. Once you receive some kind of response within 30 to 45 days, which is the normal average time frame, you'll go ahead and inform UCES customer service that you received those documents and what were the results. And then they'll go ahead and provide you with the second round of letters. So that's how their system works when it comes to credit restoration. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about the actual services and also go inside of the members area. But first of all, when you do sign up for UCES, you guys are going to get 12 financial products, and also one has just been recently included, which is Rocket Lawyer. And for those of you that don't know, Rocket Lawyer is an actual legal service that can be a little pricey, and it does come included with your entire financial products with UCES, which is a really good service you can use for the rest of your life if you end up staying with that program. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that they do. First of all, the most important one and the one that mostly everyone uses is the credit restoration service, which is included in the program. You also get a credit attorney, meaning that if you have some kind of collections harassing you, you can get in contact with the attorneys on staff that will help you and solve your problem with those collection agencies. Now you also get the debt payoff, you get identity monitoring with Allstate. You also get the Smart Credit, a monthly plan that's included in your service where you can review and audit your credit reports, and that's just an amazing feature when you want to look at your credit score. And also you got a budgeting tool, you also get a net worth tool, and you can also create your first will and trust. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of different products you can use for this service, and you can really dial down your financial stability when it comes to figuring all this information out. And you don't have to do it by yourself. You get customer service, and you also get other people that are going through the same thing as you and me as well, because I'm also in this service. So how does the Rocket Lawyer plan work? So once you reach 3 consecutive payments, on your 4th month, you will go ahead and get your Rocket Lawyer service unlocked, and you can use them as many times as you want, and you can even do a one-on-one consultation with a lawyer on their team. So this will be a great service because at that point you're going to be paying $69 per month instead of the $89. So this is a great way to get started with getting attorneys and also using all of the other services such as Smart Credit and the Allstate identity monitoring. Another great thing that you get is going to be a complete mobile app for your UCES account, and this is also going to be available for Google Play and Apple Store. So if you guys just want to go ahead and go through your phone and look at your updates and information that you just want to review, and you guys can also view your payments, you guys can do all this through the mobile app. So let's go ahead and look into the actual members area and see it together so you guys can get a better understanding of how it looks. Alright guys, so before you go into the membership area, I just want to show you guys how you guys can enroll. I'm also going to leave the link in the description and below as well, as long as with some bonuses, and I'm going to go ahead and explain those bonuses in a little bit later in this video. But first of all, when you guys enroll, you're going to see here the payment plan, and then once you want to go in and get started, all you need to do is just enter all the correct information here, including your SSN, your date of birth, first, middle, last name, current address, and then you can see that the payment plan is going to be $188, one setup fee of $99, and then the monthly fee of $89 per month. All you need to do is enter your card information and then make sure that everything is correct. Read the terms and conditions of enrollment. You have 3 days to cancel. Once you enroll into the program, you're going to receive a text and as well as an email of all your login credentials so you can get your plan activated. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page here. Now, this is going to be your dashboard and members area where you can see all your information regarding your plan. As you can see here, it's going to go ahead and inform you to activate and use your core financial products, which is the credit restoration, the identity monitoring, and as well as the credit monitoring. Some bonus products that you get will be the travel club card, so they have specials on flights, marketing features, and as well as an RX card so you can save on prescriptions as well. Now once you do that, because the first most important step is activating the credit restoration services, you're going to want to go ahead and start viewing all the information for the will and trust, creating a debt payoff plan, viewing your assets and liability with the net worth plan, and then also making sure that if you are receiving collection letters or harassment phone calls, you guys can get involved with the credit attorney. So as you can see, it's very modern. The website has completely updated from my understanding, and you guys can start using their services immediately. Once you activate your credit restoration, you should receive your dispute documents within 1 to 3 business days, so you can go ahead and print them out and then send them out to the credit bureaus or collection agency, just depends. So this is going to be the entire plan for your UCES membership area. Alright guys, so that sums up the UCES Protection Plan review in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and for those of you that stayed, I wanted to inform you of a bonus that I have created for anyone who uses my referral link for UCES. So I went ahead and created a membership area teaching you how to get started, making sure that you don't lose sight of what you're supposed to be doing with sending out the letters, and also getting one-on-one coaching with me when you do sign up using my link. You guys are going to get that entire membership area. You're also going to go ahead and get video training and also opportunities to actually make real money as well. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to push anybody, and nobody should be pushing you to join their MLM opportunity, only if you really want to. So I'm going to be providing you guys all with those bonuses. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out my free training on that, go ahead and click the link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and enter your email and find out about my bonuses as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys have any concerns. I hope I can answer as many as I can in the description below. As you guys know, I do talk about different products and different software about credit repair. So if you guys want to check out that playlist, I'm going to leave it right here. And other than that, see you guys in the next video.